Hi, Vanessa here. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to work a yarn over slip stitch ribbing. That's this part here. As you can see, this is just your normal slip stitch through back loops, and then this is your yarn over slip stitch. So it gives you it looks almost like a knit fisherman rib or something. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so you want to start with a slip knot. If you're interested in other ribbings, I will link a video for 3 other ribbing methods. Okay, so chain any number of stitches. I'll just do 8. Okay, so you want to yarn over into the second chain from the hook. That's the first, that's the second. Insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Okay, and now you want to pull through the 2 loops on your hook. So it's like a slip stitch, except you have an extra loop, which is the yarn over. Okay, so you're creating an extra loop when you yarn over, and you insert it into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then pull through the 2 on your hook. Now with slip stitch and yarn over slip stitches, you want to work your stitches loosely. Okay, yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then pull through the 2. Yarn over into the next, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through the 2 on your hook. Okay, so I have 3 more here. Last stitch. So for this row and all your following rows, it's going to be the same. We're going to chain 1 and turn, and then now we're only going to work through the back loops. So this is the front loop here. This is the back loop, and sometimes with slip stitches it's a little hard to tell. The yarn over slip stitch isn't that hard to tell, but with regular slip stitch it's hard to tell. And the way I figure it out is I look at the loop that's on my hook and just follow the V shapes. So this was the chain 1, which isn't our stitch. So the first one is here, and you want to yarn over, insert through the back loop here. Okay, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then pull through the 2 loops on your hook. Okay, yarn over into the next stitch through the back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then pull through 2 loops. Okay, the process is the same, except on row 2 and all the other rows you're working through the back loops. Yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. Yarn over into the back loops of the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then pull through the 2 loops on your hook. Okay, so you just want to repeat that last row until you have the desired size. Okay, and the result is this beautiful ribbing here. Okay, and if you're interested in this pattern, I will be posting a video tutorial for it soon, and the written pattern will be on my blog post. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. See you next time.